She said she wanted to. I'm saying, that's why she was trying to do the wardrobe girl.
Keep feeding the fire. Yeah.
I don't want to leave them loose because they've got record sides on it. That's going to be cold now. Yeah, if there's nothing in there, just chuck it in.
Oh, stomp it, stomp it, stomp it.
It's just gonna be. I didn't know it was gonna
So Dad, put your cups in there. Dad.
Have you finished it?
Yes.
Yeah, if there's nothing in there, just chuck it in there.
Rip it up, rip it up.
It'll connect.
Did you make the hot chocolate? Nice, thank you. Very good. Perfect mix.
And your dad's pizza's good too.
Thank you. My dad would really appreciate that what you just said.
If
Because
Simon said it.
yeah, my dad's pizza is getting better and better.
That's great. That's amazing. What is that? Stop eating inside. It's getting too big.
It's too fat.
Let's see how our cup burns.
Yeah, the fire's yeah. Let me get some more stuff.
And don't blow it. Okay? You hit
Yeah.